Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to learn the most polite, useful, and common English conversations for shopping at a supermarket. These expressions will help you communicate more confidently, ask for help politely, understand store staff, and enjoy a smoother shopping experience in English-speaking countries. Whether you are traveling, living abroad, or simply improving your English, these everyday supermarket phrases are essential to know. Let's get started. 1. Excuse me, where can I find the shopping carts? 2. Where are the baskets? 3. Where can I find fresh vegetables? 4. Where is the fruit section? 5. Where is the dairy section? 6. Where can I find bread? 7. Where is the frozen food section? 8. Where can I find bottled water? 9. Where is the meat section? 10. Where can I find seafood? 11. Where are the eggs? 12. Where can I find rice? 13. Where is the cooking oil? 14. Where can I find sugar? 15. Where is the coffee? 16. Where can I find tea? 17. Where are the snacks? 18. Where is the checkout counter? 19. Could you help me find this item? 20. Do you have this in stock? 21. Is this on sale? 22. How much is this? 23. Could you check the price for me? 24. Is there a discount? 25. Can I use a coupon? 26. Is this the final price? 27. Do you have a larger size? 28. Do you have a smaller size? 29. Do you have another color? 30. Is this fresh? 31. When was this made? 32. What's the expiration date? 33. Can I taste a sample? 34. I'd like 1 kilogram, please. 35. I'd like half a kilogram, please. 36. I'll take this one. 37. I'll take 2 of these. 38. I don't need a bag. 39. I need a bag, please. 40. Could you pack these separately? 41. Please handle it carefully. 42. Can I pay by card? 43. Can I pay with cash? 44. Do you accept mobile payments? 45. Can I split the payment? 46. I'd like a receipt, please. 47. Could I get an itemized receipt? 48. Where's the self-checkout? 49. Is this checkout open? 50. Which line is faster? 51. I'm just looking, thank you. 52. I'm looking for organic products. 53. Do you sell gluten-free products? 54. Do you have sugar-free drinks? 55. Where are the cleaning supplies? 56. Where can I find laundry detergent? 57. Where are the paper towels? 58. Where is the toilet paper? 59. Where are the baby products? 60. Where is the pet food? 61. Could you recommend a good brand? 62. Which one is more popular? 63. Which one do you recommend? 64. Is this locally made? 65. Is this imported? 66. Can I return this if there's a problem? 67. What's your return policy? 68. Is there a warranty? 69. Can I exchange this? 70. This item is damaged. 71. This package is open. 72. I'd like a different one. 73. Is there a fresher one? 74. Can you help me carry this? 75. Where is the customer service desk? 76. I'd like to return this item. 77. I'd like to exchange this item. 78. I think I was charged twice. 79. Could you check my receipt? 80. I forgot one item. 81. I need a price check. 82. That's all, thank you. 83. Have a nice day. 84. Thank you for your help. 85. You're very kind. 86. Can I reserve this item? 87. When will it be back in stock? 88. Is there a limit per customer? 89. Do you offer home delivery? 90. How long does delivery take? 91. Is parking free? 92. Where is the entrance? 93. Where is the exit? 94. Is the store open tomorrow? 95. What time do you close? 96. What time do you open? 97. Can I leave my bag here? 98. Is there a restroom here? 99. Thank you. See you again. 100. Have a great shopping trip. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope these 100 useful supermarket English expressions help you speak more naturally, communicate with confidence, understand native speakers more easily, and enjoy a better shopping experience wherever you go. Practice these sentences every day, and your English conversation skills will improve step by step. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends so more people can learn English together. Thank you again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.